What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has gone through quite of a pump. As you can see, a huge green candlestick here can only mean one thing guys. It's gone up over 15% in the last 24 hours, and again most of the pump did come from the last hour or two, as you can see here, and it's currently trading at just about half a cent guys. So we're going to be looking at its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? What caused this pump? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how far can AMP go, and is it a crypto still worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can clearly see, it is another red day for the crypto market. It is down 2%. However, AMP has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list. As you can see, the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 8% in value in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 16%. Over the week, 5% down. And over the month, just about 2% up. As you can see, it's been very volatile. Pumped up to, let's have a look here, nearly 80%, hitting about 0.008 cents, very close to hitting the 1 cent target, but ever since then it's been dropping in value. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, you can see the trading volume has gone up over 100%, making it $21 million in trading. And again, it's one of the top gainers, is gaining a lot of value right now. So we are going to see a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is gaining a lot of attention. And there is no doubt that the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours, as more and more people will start to trade the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's get straight into it. On the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which I'm going to be using to work out the average, which is here in purple at 0.005 cents, and we've got it trading at a very similar rate here in green at 0.005 cents as well, meaning it is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last hour or two, as you can see here. But again, I am expecting AMP to carry on pumping in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting AMP to head up to about the 0.0055 cents to 0.006 cents in target, somewhere in between here. But again, do expect dips in between, as they are part of the process. As you can see here, it's pumped up earlier today, dropped back down, pumped up again, dropped back down, and it is a repeated cycle. As you can see, it's starting to drop again right now, but after the drop is over, down to about 0.0048, is likely to pump back up in value to above 0.0052 cents. So yes, it is going to be volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We're still looking very steep, very bullish guys, meaning once again it's not realistic. And in this case, yes, it's not realistic. Even though it is pumping right now, over the coming days I am expecting AMP to drop back down in value, down to about just about 0.0045 to 0.0043 cents in target is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by mid next week. So over the next 7 to 8 days, do expect more red days. Yes, it may have a pump in between here and there, where it's likely to take a little bit of a green day, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from AMP over the next week or so, meaning dropping below the 0.005 cents target by mid next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Not looking too great. We have taken a complete U-turn here, guys. We do have the blue and the orange line both looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning over the next 6 to 8 weeks, according to the graph, an overall drop in value is what is expected from AMP potentially dropping down to about 0.003 cents. However, my predictions say it's going to take a U-turn, guys. So over the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should see not just AMP but the crypto market in general slowly starting to recover, and AMP should be heading towards the 1 cent target over the next, let's say, by mid to late April 2023, and in around early to mid May we should be seeing AMP trading way above the 1 cent target. But that is only if the crypto market manages to take a U-turn and start to pump up in value over the next 2 to 3 weeks, which I'm hoping it does, and I'm predicting it does as well. That's including Bitcoin as well, because more or less, guys, Bitcoin drives the market in a bullish and bearish direction. As you can see right now, it's trading at $21,000, but we should see it hit about $24,000 to $25,000 towards the end of March and early April. But again, as you guys know, I will make sure to keep you guys updated on a daily basis, not just on Bitcoin but the crypto market in general, as I'm pretty sure that's what you guys are here for and want regular updates on the crypto market, on any major news or major updates that come across that can have a potential impact, major positive or negative impact in the crypto market. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to go to hit the resistance target here to go into the green zone, which is 3 cents, which I'm expecting AMP to hit in Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting AMP to hit the resistance target here of 3 cents if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. But again, January was very good for the crypto market, full of recovery. You know, it did very, very well. February was a bit of a, what can I say, it started to drop down in value, and March hasn't been too great. More or less since the start of March, the crypto market hasn't been performing too well, and it's been more or less more on the red side than the green side. And as you guys can see, even on the Coinbase website, the whole market is still down 2% and has been for the last over a week now, nearly 10 days. But yeah, hopefully we should be able to recover from this over the next 2 to 3 weeks. But again, if you guys want regular updates on AMP, let me also know in the comment section down below. And I want you guys to comment down below, when are you guys expecting AMP to hit the 1 cent target? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen plenty of comments around AMP. Personally, I am bullish on AMP for the long term. I'm not a short term holder. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on AMP. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And as you guys know, I'm very, very close to hitting 60,000 subscribers, so let's get that first and then we'll get to 100k. And again, at the end of the day, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.